Buckle up for a fascinating journey back in time. In the golden age of philosophy, four great minds rose above the rest due to their unique and influential perspectives. First, we have Democritus, the father of modern science, who believed that everything in the universe is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. Then we have Pythagoras, a mathematician and philosopher known for his theorem, who saw numbers as the essence of all things. Next, there's Thales, the first philosopher, who proposed that water was the origin of all matter. And finally, we have Plato, the student of Socrates, who believed in the existence of ideal forms, perfect and unchanging, that our world is just a shadow of. Each of these philosophers had their unique viewpoints and contributions to the world of thought. Let's dive deep into the philosophical thought process of these great minds. Democritus, the father of modern science, and Pythagoras, the man who saw the world in numbers. These two great minds from the cradle of Western thought approached the mysteries of the universe from very different perspectives. Democritus, the atomist, proposed that everything in the universe, from the stars in the sky to the thoughts in our head, are made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. He believed in a material universe where change is the result of atoms moving and rearranging. On the other side, we have Pythagoras, the geometrician. He perceived the world not in atoms but in numbers and ratios. He held that the cosmos was fundamentally mathematical, and that understanding these numerical patterns could unlock the secrets of the universe. Their contrasting views underscore the diversity and richness of early philosophical thought. As you can see, even in the early ages, philosophers had varied and conflicting views. Now, let's move on to Thales, the first philosopher, and Plato, the student of Socrates. Thales, known as the first philosopher, was a naturalist. His philosophy was rooted in the understanding of the natural world. He believed that everything originated from water, a tangible and observable element of nature. His philosophy was grounded in what could be seen, touched, and experienced in the physical world around us. On the other hand, we have Plato, the student of Socrates, who was an idealist. Plato's theory of forms proposed that non-physical forms, or ideas, represent the most accurate reality. For Plato, the physical world was a mere shadow of a higher, intangible, and more real world of ideas. These two great minds offer us contrasting perspectives on reality. Thales pulls us towards the tangible physical world, while Plato urges us to look beyond what can be seen or touched. Again, we see a clash of thoughts, this time between the natural world and the world of ideas. Now that we've seen their theories, let's see how these philosophers responded to each other. Democritus, the atomist, and Pythagoras, the geometrician, had differing views on the fabric of the cosmos. Democritus, with his belief in the existence of indivisible particles, and Pythagoras, with his faith in the mystical properties of numbers, engaged in a vibrant intellectual dance. While Democritus saw the universe as a random mechanistic entity, Pythagoras viewed it as an organized mathematical construct. Their contrasting theories sparked a lively discourse that continues to this day. Similarly, Thales, the naturalist, and Plato, the idealist, clashed in their philosophical perspectives. Thales, who believed that the world could be explained through natural phenomena, found himself at odds with Plato's theory of forms, which argued that our world is but a shadow of a perfect ideal realm. This clash between the tangible and the abstract, the seen and the unseen, has been a key driver in philosophical thought for centuries. These philosophical debates have shaped the way we think and understand the world even today. So, who do you think had the most convincing argument? That's the question we're left with after delving into the rich world of ancient philosophy. We've journeyed from Democritus's atomistic view of the universe, through Pythagoras's mathematical lens, to Thales's naturalistic approach, and finally to Plato's realm of ideal forms. Each philosopher, in their own unique way, sought to understand the world and our place in it. These exchanges, these clashes of thought, weren't just academic exercises. They were the birth pangs of philosophy itself, the foundation upon which our understanding of the world is built. Each perspective contributed to the development of different branches of philosophy, from metaphysics to epistemology, ethics to aesthetics. In the end, the most convincing argument might just be the one that resonates with you the most. Think about it, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of philosophy. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.